This Masters in Clinical Education is coming together with the Kent and Medway Medical School, working with Canterbury Christchurch University to develop a clinical education Masters which is aimed at interprofessional healthcare professionals across the region and beyond. Hello, my name's Tim Collins. I'm a senior lecturer at the Kent and Medway Medical School. So the MSc in Clinical Education is an interprofessional course which is aimed at doctors, nurses, midwives, paramedics, allied health professionals and social care professionals. The course aims to have multiple assessment methods which are workplace related. So the idea is that students can use their knowledge and skills that they're doing within their professional workplace to build up a number of modules which has assessment related to their professional workplace. The Masters in Clinical Education is also available for intercalating medical students at 3rd and 4th year, where we come together and learn as a wider group. The Masters in Clinical Education has a number of pathways where we follow the mandatory component, which is the Postgraduate Certificate in Clinical Education, which comprises of 3 mandatory modules. Then you can progress to the Postgraduate Diploma, which has some optional modules. And then finally to progress to the Masters in Clinical Education, which has a research component and a research project to this. So for the Postgraduate Certificate in Clinical Education, we have 3 core compulsory modules that students have to complete, which is Principles and Teaching of Learning in Clinical Education, Enhancing Professional Practice in Clinical Education, and Assessment in Clinical Education. To continue for the Diploma and the Masters, we have a number of optional modules which relate to simulation in clinical education, learning technologies in clinical education, principles of curriculum design and evaluation, and leading in education within the interprofessional context. Then what's compulsory for the Masters is researching in clinical education and the research project. The modules are meant to be flexible. We have the option of a full 1 year full-time completion of the Masters, or we have part-time options up to 3 years as well.